flying objects.
Well, shit starts flying, then
It's starting to get windy too. Look at it.
to the bathroom.
I'll sit right here. I want to watch this.
Film out that way.
It's already hit us. It's like on us right now. They said if you hear a freight train sound, get inside.
Why the hell are the sirens going off?
Dispatch and just be like, yo, why aren't the sirens going off? We're in a tornado.
Seriously, call them.
We have a tornado. Why are they going off?
I think Come on, where the hell are you? Night, stay in. No, night, stay in.
Night.
Night, stay in. Holy hell! We're in a warning, tell them to turn the damn sirens on. Yep.
This is 5 miles south side.
Can you get over there?
Yeah, I'm good.
John, you got scared?
No, it started raining.
Yeah, it's raining pretty good now.
She said they go off for 3 minutes at a time. They went off twice. I was like, well, they don't go off continuously anymore? She's like, no, they go off for 3 minutes at a time. I was like, well, I ain't heard them in a while. Turn the light on. No need for the light to be on.
Oh, yep. There goes the seagull.
Oh my gosh, it's raining hard.
I had to turn. You want me to keep it open and let the rain come in? Yeah. No, let's see if it's hailing. No.
You'd hear it if it was hanging.
Go ahead, caller.
Yeah, hey, I'm at 121st on M89 just west of Allegan, and there is significant lowering. Nothing is touching the ground. Those dead just kind of going up and going down, up and down. Right, hard to see the lightning.
Huh?
To see the rain.
All right, what's your location again? And I didn't catch your name. What's your name?
Oh, there's a bug in here. Oh.
Yeah, I'm at 121st here on west
Donnie.
of Allegan.
Okay, you're west of Allegan. Are you into the heavy rain yet, or are you still?
The rain has died down quite a bit right now.
Okay, and which direction are you looking?
I'm looking towards the east.
You're looking toward the east. Oh, okay, all right. And tell us again what you see.
It's just clouds lowering, going back, lowering, going back. Nothing has gotten near the earth at all, but it's just lowering and going back.
Okay, and you don't report any damage there?
I've seen no damage. I called in earlier when we were driving through Finnville, and there were some trees down on the road. The strongest
I'm seriously shocked we still have power.
this night is when we were in Douglas.
In Douglas?
Yes.
Okay.
Isn't it even here yet, or is it like?
You said there was some tree limbs
that
down.
close?
Was that west of Finnville or east?
It was right in the city of Finnville.
Right in the city of Finnville?
Yes.
Any idea what caused that? I mean, obviously it's pretty hard to tell, but would that have been a straight line wind gust or?
Just by the way, yeah, I think it was probably straight line wind gust.
Okay, all right. How about the lightning down there? So it looks pretty intense.
Yeah,
on
see
radar.
what's clear.
It's been very intense.
Still could get one.
They're probably gonna end it worse than we will.
Oh, are you there?
I'm here.
Yeah, okay. Anything else to report?
That's it.
All right, we sure appreciate it. Stay safe down there, Anthony, okay?
I sure will.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Bill, here's a flash flood warning that's going to be coming up on your screen pretty soon. This is for southwestern Ottawa, Barrie, and Allegan County. This is information in addition to the previous flash flood warning. These rainfall amounts between 2 and 3 inches have really started to pile up, so it looks like flash flooding is quite likely here in some of these areas across the counties under the warning over the next several hours at least.
Yeah, we've had reports of over 7 inches of rain.
Say the warning for the next several hours.
Milwaukee, I mean, it's tremendous amounts of
I don't remember that.
The roads are blocked in Milwaukee.
We were under the thunderstorm warning for the notice with that big flood.
Flooding out, just a terrible situation over there.
Shit.
They had 7 inches of rain in just about
95.
But again,
I think it was 97.
I had to walk out. I had to walk out to the fucking
I'm just checking. That was freaky when it was starting to light up. I hate their siren system. If there was one, it's probably past first. I think so. I'm not seeing any hail.